Crispy Lachha Pakora. This pakora recipe will surprise everyone. Take finely chopped onions in a pot. And we'll also add long, thinly sliced aloo. Add salt, red pepper, cumin, dry coriander, and celery. Gram flour we'll add inside it. Now add spinach in it. Now add a little curd in it to make the pakoras crispy. Add little water and mix it well. There is a button, put oil in it. When the oil gets hot enough, put the prepared mixture in it. When the pakoras are browned well, take them out on a plate and enjoy.
Alhamdulillah.